don't know the specific name of the sequence, but I've been seeing some people do it. So today I'm going to try to help you unlock this sort of hookador to a behind the neck wrap sequence. First, let's talk about the hookador. I think that's the right name for this move. There are two ways to enter into it. So one is through the dragon roll. So from the dragon roll, right now I'm going right to left, my right to my left. You'll see it as your left to right. But what's going to happen is when I do it on the front swing, when I'm going right to left, I will stick my right elbow out. The rope will naturally come under my armpit here. So I'll quickly show that. With the dragon roll, you stick out your elbow. And what you're going to do is, as the rope is coming over, with your left hand, as it continues to swing, bring it over your head. And then when you turn back to the right, you throw it down behind your back. So I'll quickly show that. Dragon roll, stick your hand out, and you throw it to the back. And that's how you unwrap. The second way, which I think is actually a bit easier, is to go into it from an underhand matador. So when I switch to my right, I have my right hand come out, and my left hand's just gonna pull it over, and over my neck, over my head. Now I turn back to the right, and that's where I unwrap it down. So up like this, down like so. When you unwrap, it's easier to throw it and unwrap it on the back side. So now that you have done the hookador, the next part is bringing it into a behind the neck wrap like this. So how do you do that? When you are unwrapping from the hookador, you're turning to the right, you throw to the back, that's step one. And then step two is, as it makes the rotation on the back, you pull your left hand over your head and behind your neck, ensuring that your left hand is over your right shoulder. So hook, turn, pull over, like so. And then what you're going to do now is bring it back to the front, and it's just unwrapping it around your hand like this. Continue in an underhand swing to unwrap it. And then now that you're in this position, you transition into a sort of dragon head, because it's going to continue. You dragon head back to the left side, back to the right side, and then underhand, and now you can go back into the sequence. If you're finding it hard to go straight into the behind the neck wrap, there is a transition that you can do first, which looks like this. So you notice what I'm doing is almost everything except for the pulling behind the neck portion. So what you do is you do the hookador. So you hook, throw to the back, keep your left hand here at your right shoulder, and you wrap it on your right hand first, and then unwrap back at the front again. So I'll show you what that looks like. Hook, throw, wrap, unwrap. Dragon head, come back down. And we go back into underhand. Hook, throw, wrap, unwrap. Dragon head, back to underhand. And then the difference there is now, instead of keeping your hand on the right shoulder, you're going to pull it over behind your neck. So hook, throw, pull behind, dragon head,